Okay, so now let us start type of sets. Okay, so there are different type of sets, so let us see one by one. Now equivalent sets. Now equivalent means having a same number, right? Now it is defined as having same number of cardinal number. Okay, the number of element should be same. Okay, if one set has 4 element and other has 5 element, then they are not equivalent. Okay, so both has to be 5 or both has to be 3 2, it should be same. Okay, it should be equal. Say for an example, set a, there are 5 vowels, right? So 5. Then B is, I have written a natural number. Okay, 1, from 1 to 5. So how many cardinal numbers are there in both? It is 5 in both, correct? I hope you all can follow this. So this type of set is called your equivalent sets. Then comes your equal set. Now equal set, having the same element. See, the element should be same. It is not about the numbers. Okay, it is about having the same element. Suppose if one set has uh, same suppose apple, okay, and if the other set has mango, so what happened? They are not same, right? So they are not equal. Now this may happen that one set has a apple which is bigger in size, the other will have an apple with small size, but both are apple, isn't it? Both have the same element, isn't it? So equal set means having the same element. So, say for an example, there is a set P and Q. Q, the letter in Nepal. So, here you see, what are the letters? N, E, P, A, R, L, right? On the other hand, panel, letters in panel, P, A, N, E, L. Here you see, both the set has a P, correct? Then A, correct? N is also there. Both has an E, L. So though the word is different, but the element in them is same, isn't it? So this is called your equal sets. I hope this is clear, and see, you should not get confused between equivalent set and equal sets. Okay, equivalent set means having same number of cardinal number, 5, 6, 7, okay, and equal set means having same letters, same element. Clear? Okay, now move to the next. The third is empty sets. Empty means what? Nothing, isn't it? It means it is a null set. Now how? Say for an example, if there is a girl or if there is a woman whose height is 12 feet, is it possible? No. Is it possible? No. Right? So it means what? It is null. Means it has no value, you can say, isn't it? It is empty. So such type of set is always represented like this, empty. This is the bracket which we write the set, or the where we write the element, right? So we will just put this bracket, and inside there will be no element, because 12 feet is not possible, right? And it is also represented with this symbol also. Okay, is it clear? Okay, so let us see another type of set. Now what it is? Finite set. Now what is finite set? Finite means a fixed number, isn't it? The one which is finite, have a or you can say where you can count, right? So finite set means cardinal number can be determined, where you can determine the cardinal number. Say for example, set P contain 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you can easily count that there are 4 elements, right? 4 cardinal number. So this is called your finite set. Then is infinite. Infinite means the one which we cannot count, right? Which is uncountable. So say for an example, set of natural numbers. See, natural number, it starts from 1 and it is infinite. Right? So you cannot count it, right? It is uncountable. So this type of set is called your infinite set. So natural number 1, 2, 3. So this is uncountable. Okay, then comes the overlapping. Overlapping means one over another, right? So here overlapping means here suppose if set A has 4, 8, 10, 15, here you can see 8, 16, 18. Here only one element is common. Okay, so at least one common element, where if in a set, okay, if in a set, if one, even if one element is same, if it is common, then it is said to be your overlapping set. Then comes your disjoint. So disjoint set is opposite. Okay, it is a vice versa of overlapping. Here at least one common element should be present, but here doesn't have any common element. So 2, 4, 8, 6, 1, 3, 5, 9. These are odd number and these are even number, right? So they are completely opposite. It doesn't have any common. So this is called your disjoint set. Then is your single tone set. Single means what? One, only one, right? So single tone set means a set which has only one element. Okay, only one element, and it is written as this, like this. So it is represented as this. So this is all about a set. Okay, so in this video I had explained you the type of set, right? So do follow the book and learn this type of set nicely, so that it becomes easier for you to solve the problems. Okay, so in my next class I shall start exercise question and answer. Till then you learn this definitions, you learned examples of different type of sets and what is set, okay, how to represent a set. So learn everything, and then in our next class we shall do the question and answer. Okay, so till then, take care.